a beacon of connectivity, innovation and opportunity. The cornerstone in the vision of the ambitious Mumbai 3.0, Panvel is well aligned to a fast-paced growth trajectory. A key step towards easing connectivity is Atal Setu, a remarkable 6-lane bridge connecting Nhava Sheva to Sivri in just 20 minutes, making the journey to South Mumbai faster and convenient. This link seamlessly connects Godrej City Panvel to Mumbai's core, not only easing congestion but also opening up vast economic opportunities by creating a direct route for businesses and commuters alike. The upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is a comfortable drive away from Godrej City and is envisioned to be twice the size of Mumbai's current international airport. With the upcoming Navi Mumbai Special Economic Zone, led by Reliance, set to attract $75 billion in investment, bringing corporations, jobs and boosting housing demand, Panvel is poised to become an economic hub. Apart from seamless road connectivity, Godrej City offers excellent rail connectivity, with the upcoming Mohape railway station just 8 minutes away. Part of the new CSMT Panvel-Karjat line, it will cut travel time to South Mumbai by 30 minutes. The upcoming Metro Gold line will directly connect the Navi Mumbai International Airport to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, providing easy access to the western suburbs of Mumbai. An already sanctioned upcoming 45-meter wide connector that will connect the old Mumbai-Pune highway to the Mumbai-Pune Expressway will be passing through Godrej City, offering seamless access and connectivity from the expressway. Panvel is a residential haven with top-class educational institutes, multinational corporations, luxurious hotels, shopping complexes and world-class healthcare facilities, aiding to its rapidly developing urban landscape. Most awaited, Navi Mumbai Airport International Influence Notified Area, popularly known as NENA, is crucial to the development plans of 3rd Mumbai or Mumbai 3.0. The 3rd Mumbai is envisioned as a highly developed city with commercial towers, banks, data centers, sports facilities, educational universities, government offices and knowledge parks. Adding to Panvel's unparalleled connectivity are the upcoming projects like the widening of Sion-Panvel Highway, the Ulve Coastal Road and the Virar-Alibag Multimodal Corridor, enhancing access to key highways and establishing Panvel as a logistics hub in Maharashtra. Godrej City, where many worlds come together across 145 acres of green landscape, integrating education, retail and recreation into a well-designed urban ecosystem that is integral to the vision of Mumbai 3.0. This is Panvel, a region where culture meets the future to redefine urban living. Godrej City Panvel, many worlds, one city.